Hey everyone, welcome back to Learnify. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the cranial base of the skull. You might be wondering, what exactly is the cranial base? Well, let's break it down. The cranial base is the bottom part of the skull that supports the brain. It's super important because it protects our brain and connects it to the spine. The cranial base is made up of several bones that come together to form a sturdy platform for our brain. There are three main parts of the cranial base: the anterior cranial fossa, the middle cranial fossa, and the posterior cranial fossa. Let's take a closer look at each of these. First up, we have the anterior cranial fossa. This is the front part of the cranial base. It holds the frontal lobes of the brain and is formed mainly by the frontal bone and the ethmoid bone. It's like a cozy little shelf for your brain. Next, we move to the middle cranial fossa. This part is shaped like a butterfly and holds the temporal lobes of the brain. It's made up of the sphenoid bone and part of the temporal bone. The middle cranial fossa has openings for important nerves and blood vessels to pass through, making it essential for brain function. Finally, we have the posterior cranial fossa. This is the back part of the cranial base, and it houses the cerebellum and the brainstem. It's formed by the occipital bone and parts of the temporal and parietal bones. This area is crucial for many vital functions, like breathing and heart rate. So, to sum it all up, the cranial base is an incredible structure made up of different bones that protect our brain and allow it to connect with the rest of our body. Understanding the cranial base helps us appreciate just how amazing our skull really is. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the cranial base of the skull. Remember, your brain is your most important organ, so take care of it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool science content.